welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing of the summer 2019 FabFitFun Box. So this right here is what the box looks like for this time around. I always love their box theme, and for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, meaning you get 4 boxes a year, 1 for each season. And my 2 favorite things about this subscription service is that 1, it comes with full-size products. There's something about having a full-size product that just makes me use it more. That was weird. Versus if I have tiny sample sizes, I always just forget about them or lose them. And my second favorite thing is that it has a variety of products. It's not all beauty products. You get a very good lifestyle theme, so fitness, fashion, some beauty, skincare. Each box costs $49.99, but you get at least $250 worth of products in each box, which is crazy, and I always love everything I get in these boxes. And then I also think this makes a really good gift idea. So if you know somebody who loves trying out new things or who loves subscription services, you can always purchase the full year for them and then put their address in when you order so that it goes straight to their house as a gift. If you're interested in getting your own box, I'll be sure to leave a link to sign up down below in the description box, and I'll also leave a code somewhere down here on the screen and in the description box, which will get you $10 off of your first box. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the first thing I got in my box. I absolutely love this. So it is a summer tote. Perfect for the beach or any sort of little road trip you're taking. And I absolutely love the design. So it is a blue and cream, and then I love how the handle is like this rope. Each box comes with this little magazine, and it tells you how much each product normally costs. So that bag normally would be $50 on its own. So that right there just paid the price of my entire box. So the second product I got in my box is another one that I chose out, and it is 3 resistance bands for working out. Normally this would cost $34, and I feel like this is super convenient if you want to get in a little workout at home. So the third product I got in my box is an exfoliating foot mask, and I feel like this is perfect for summertime because I'm always walking around in flip-flops, and I feel like that tends to really dry out your heels and it does wear out your feet. So this is supposed to be a polish and exfoliating scrub for your feet, and it is normally $32. Personally, I do not like to get my nails done at a salon, so I never get a pedicure from a nail salon because I just think it's gross sharing the same tub and same tools with people. You don't know how thoroughly it's being cleaned. So I always like to do at-home pedicures, so this is definitely going to come in use. Next up is a Living Proof nourishing styling cream. So it's supposed to stop frizziness and it lightly conditions your hair. So basically it's just a styling cream you can use in your hair, and normally this product would cost $28. I'm going to combine the next 2 products together because they're actually pretty similar. So the first one is a Coola SPF 30 makeup setting spray. I definitely like that this has SPF in it because I do tend to get lazy and I don't like to apply the actual lotion to my face every day. And normally this would be $36. And then the second one was just a rose spray that's supposed to be a hydrating facial spray by Grace and Stella, and this one normally costs $25.95. So next up is a mask. It's a clay mask by Generation Clay, and it's supposed to be a brightening mask. This one right here, it claims to rejuvenate dull skin, and it's supposed to be hydrating as well. Normally it is $39. The very last item is something I chose to get in my box, and that is this really pretty kimono. I feel like it's super lightweight, so it's perfect for summer. You can probably even use this as a swimsuit cover-up. You can dress it up, dress it down, and normally this kimono costs $60. So there's actually one more thing in my box that I didn't see at the bottom, and it is these Invisibobble traceless hair ties. So it comes with 6 of these little hair ties that are supposed to make sure that there's no creases left in your hair once you remove them, and normally that would be $16. In addition to those 8 products that came with my box, I decided to pay $15 extra to get a bonus product, and they are these masks right here. These are the, I don't know how you say it, it's 111 Skin. These are the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. And what caught my eye is that these are normally $160 for 5 masks. I actually thought I had read it wrong, but it's $160 for 5 masks, and I only paid $15 to get it. So that's the other great thing, is that FabFitFun has so many great deals since they buy in bulk, so you can get a lot of these products at a really great price. So after adding all of my products up, my box came out to be a total of $481 worth of products, and like I said, I only paid $49.99, so I definitely think it's worth the price and I would highly recommend it. Like I said earlier, if you're interested in signing up, I'll leave a link and a coupon code down in the description below. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'll have a link to that down below in the description box as well. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you till next time. Bye!